Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
All right, we're gonna remove the hood. Before we start anything, I'm gonna take a felt tip pen and I'm just gonna mark the location where the hinge is on the hood. Just around here, so that when we put it back on, it's a good reference for where you can line the hood up. Just like that. And I'll do it to the other side. I'm just going to get these bolts loose. It's a 13mm socket and a ratchet that I'm using. I'm not going to take them all the way out. Just going to loosen them up. Just make sure they're finger tight. Before we take those bolts all the way out, we're going to need to take the hood strut off. I'm going to grab a helper to hold the hood up. And then we'll take the hood strut off. Just like that, use a 90-degree pick and just get in that little clip there. Then the hood can be supported. Now I can loosen up this side. Now that they're both sides are finger tight, you can pull these bolts out together. Make sure you're holding the hood. And then you can remove the hood and set it down. All right, so we're going to line up the hood right here. I'm going to grab the bolts and get the bolts started. Once my friend gets those started, he can hold the hood up. Then I can start my bolts on this side. And then we can reposition the prop rod. Push it up. And that'll hold the hood up. Before I snug these bolts up, I want to line them up on the hinge properly with the marks that I made with the marker. And I'll take my 13mm socket and a ratchet. As you can see, the bottom's not lined up too good, so we're gonna move this, adjust this a little bit. So get that to line up there. Snug this up a little bit more. Just take a little dead blow hammer. We sell these at 1aauto.com. Just get that to line up. Once that's pretty lined up, then we can snug these down. Looks really good there. Just gonna tap on the top part, just like that. And snug that up, and then snug the bottom one up. And I'm gonna do the same for the other side. Snug this side up as well. That's good. Now what I wanna do is carefully bring the hood down a little bit, checking the front fender and make sure nothing's gonna hit. Do the same for the other side. Make sure it's not gonna hit. Looks like it's lined up pretty good. You're gonna make sure the latch in the middle lines up. Make sure that lines up good. Looks good. Close it down. And that looks pretty good.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.